Hi guys, so in this video I will be sharing with you guys how to make this really cute DIY sweater. I would call this an ugly Christmas sweater, but low-key it's really cute and really inexpensive. It was super cheap to make and I loved making it because it was a lot of fun and I got a lot of compliments. So let's start this video and learn how to make this sweater. Alright, so first I got some felt. This is about 20 cents each for color, and I just needed a couple colors, white definitely, some blue, some pink, and some colorful ones for the bulbs. And then I also needed some cotton balls, and I found these little bells as well, and they were also $1, and I loved these because they sound so pretty. And I also got some green garland. For the sweater, it is pretty much just a bunch of circles of all different sizes. I will be going into more detail about how I created each of them, but this is the snow girl, and she just has a bunch of circles for her bow and her eyes, 2 circles, and then a triangle nose. And then I just kind of created her body. So I pretty much just got one of the circles that's like a little bigger, and then a more medium-sized circle. And then I created a head by using an even smaller circle. So it's pretty much like 3 circles of different sizes to create the snowman and the snow girl. Really easy actually, and it turns out really cute. I also found these at Dollar Tree. They're just already made snowmen, and these have little hats on top, and they're also made out of felt, so you guys could definitely use this as well if you don't want to create your own. So pretty much I just cut out a bunch of circles for the snow and as well as for the snowman that I will be creating, and I also just kind of like laid it down around the sweater to make it look like as if it's snowing. And I also added the cotton balls. I was trying to figure out where I was going to place the little bells. I actually didn't put them right there. I ended up putting them on the sleeves because I thought that was going to be cuter. And then I also cut out this pink heart. I thought it was really cute. And then I'm going to place Mr. Snowman right there next to the heart. And I'm also going to place the Mrs. Snow girl on the other side. And I pretty much did the circles and the rectangle. Oh my gosh, I don't know my shapes. It's a triangle nose and then her little bow. Here I just have these like bulb, supposedly lights, and I just kind of cut out like an oval, and then I cut out like the little top. I just did yellow, orange, green, and blue, and I thought that was pretty colorful, and I just kind of placed them on the bottom of the sweater because I thought it would be kind of cute to give a colorful touch. And then I'm also going to place the green garland at the bottom to create kind of like a little cute effect at the bottom. And I'm just going to place a strip. Now I pretty much took a bunch of circles in white and black, and I just glued them on with a glue gun and made this snow. Now for my string, I just used these pipe cleaners in black, and I placed them on top of each of the bulbs. And then that is my string of lights. Here I am just going to glue everything down with the glue gun, and it's going to look so good. And here we pretty much have the final product of my sweater. So I just have everything glued down. It definitely did not budge. It stayed perfectly. As you guys can see, I added at the top neck a garland, as well as on my sleeves I added the garland, and I added the bells so it'll make a cute little noise. I really love it. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got an idea, some inspiration on how to make your own cute ugly Christmas sweater for really cheap. As you guys can see, I also added this like Dollar Tree light up necklace. If you guys would like to pick it up, it's there. It's super cute. I definitely recommend. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!